So today's lesson, I will start with going through all the questions that we did as homework. I believe that will give us some time left. And with the remaining time, we will just do a short Kahoot quiz and we will call it a day. All right. Can I just double check? School holiday is starting next week onwards. Am I right? When is it?
I had holiday on Wednesday, Thursday. Today I'm leaving on Friday, so
Oh, so school holiday started already.
yeah.
How about the rest of you all? Yanxin shaking his head. So different for different schools, ah? Is it?
Yeah,
But definitely next week onwards is start already, right?
yeah, but I need to go back to school because of
Yeah.
some like supplementary or remedial.
Yeah, okay. But officially, school holidays next Monday. But you all might have some schools who have early holidays. Okay, great. Okay, so I'm gonna start. Wait, before I start, only some of your parents have sent me your exam scripts. By now, teachers should have written all your exam scripts already, right? Avi, I got yours. You are the only one who I received. Chongqing, I also got yours, right? I replied your mom already. Ziyi leh?
I don't have the term 2 one, I did not receive back yet.
Okay, that's strange.
Maybe
Yanqing,
tomorrow.
okay, once you get it, send it over. Chongqing, I got yours already, right? Chongqing. Okay, whatever. I thought I got Chongqing. Yanqing, how about you? You should have gotten your exam script back, right? Yanqing.
Yeah, but I gave to my father.
You gave to your dad.
Yeah,
Then
he
the
asked
person that, okay, wait, 904, wait. Yeah, wait. That's Chongqing. Wait, Yanqing, 88257719 is your dad, right? Yanqing,
me again.
88257719.
Yes.
Okay, so I will remind
Is it
8825.
88257719?
Yeah, that's your father, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I will ask him to send it over to me. Can, no problems. Grace, not Grace, sorry. Jonah, I need you to keep your video on at all times. That's usually how the session runs for the students in my class, so that I can make sure that they're paying attention. Can you do that, Jonah? Can you keep your video on throughout? Thank you very much. Okay, I'm gonna start. First question. Jonah and Darius. Darius is not here. He's usually late. Okay, so when he joins, then he will join us. But Jonah, I noticed you got this question wrong. So first and foremost, Jonah, have you heard of the word germinate before? Yes or no, Jonah?
Yes.
Oh, great. Can you tell me what do you know? Based on what you know, can you kind of describe what germination is? Or what does germinate mean? Whatever you know. Guys, I
The
want you all to pay attention, okay? Yes? Whatever you know about it.
it's when the seed grows into a plant.
Yeah, very good. So basically, germination is the process whereby the seed develops into a plant. Okay, so this question, they are asking you which of the conditions are not needed. So let's go through the options. Jonah, is air needed for germination? So germination is, wait, Jonah. Avi, can you tell me how do I know that a seed has germinated? So when I look at a seed, how will I know whether it has germinated or not?
If there's roots or shoots coming out.
No, only one thing.
If there are roots.
Yes. So everybody, please pay very close attention. How do I know if a seed has germinated? Okay. I will observe roots appearing. So once I see the root come out, the seed has germinated. I don't even need to see a shoot. A shoot is the one that grows upwards. These are roots. Yanqing, do you understand what I'm talking about? Yanqing, do you understand? Yanqing, I'm talking to you. Do you understand?
Teacher, can you repeat? Because just now my connection was lagging.
Okay, good. So I asked Ervi, how do I know that a seed has germinated? So if I see a seed like that, when do I know whether it has germinated or not? Ervi said that once I see the root appear, I know that the seed has germinated. You understand? So I don't even need to wait for the shoot to come out. The shoot is where the leaves will grow. I don't even need this to appear. All I need to see is the root. Once the root appears, it means germination has taken place. Chengxing, you understand? Okay, so Jonah, let's go through the options. What is needed for the root to even appear in the first place? Is air needed? Jonah, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, apart from, I can say air, I also can say oxygen. Both are acceptable. Good. Do I need heat?
No.
I ask you again, do you think a seed can germinate in a fridge or freezer?
No.
So do I need heat or warmth? Is this needed?
Yes.
Yes. So please remember warmth is also needed. How about water, Jonah?
Yes.
Good. Do I need sunlight?
No.
Why do I not need sunlight? Can you tell the class? Very good. I don't need this.
Because the seed contains seed leaves.
Very good. Does
And
it
they-
have leaves? Does it have any true leaves?
No.
Good. So if you look at the seed, it doesn't have leaves, right? If I don't have leaves, I cannot trap light to make food. So I do not even need light to germinate. Okay, so the correct answer, condition not needed, is sunlight. So what are the conditions needed for germination? This is how I teach my class to remember. W, O, W. Water, oxygen, and warmth. Darius, you got this question wrong. Can you please take note? Sunlight is not needed for germination. Okay? Now, Jonah mentioned something just now. Darius wasn't here, so I'm going to ask him the question. The rest of you, please pay attention. As you can see, the seed has no leaves. Even if the seed grows slightly more and something like that appears, okay, it still does not trap light. It cannot make its own food. So Darius, where does the young plant obtain its food?
From the I don't know what it called.
You need to know what it's called. Can you try? Seed what?
Seed.
Changxing, can you help him? You said seed leaf? Changxing, is that correct? Changxing, is that correct? I can't hear you. Correct or wrong? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so if I were to look at a seed under a microscope, there will be a portion of the seed, probably here known as the seed leaf. And this seed leaf stores food for the seed until the plant develops two leaves to make food. Okay, Ziyi understand? Yanqing, are you following? Yanqing, can you keep your video on? Chengxing as well. Yanqing, do you understand what I just said? Good, ah? Okay, we're gonna move on. So please remember this. Okay, question 2, I have a number of you all getting wrong. 4 people. I'm surprised. So if I call out your name, please pay close attention. Wait, I have to say Chengxing, you did very well. You got all the MCQ questions correct, so good job. Now, this question, Ziyi, Ervi, Jonah, and Darius, you all got wrong. So please listen up, yeah? The diagram shows the human respiratory system. X represents the air that enters the body. Y represents the air that leaves the body. Okay? So which of the following statements about X and Y is correct? So let's go through something before we look at this question. So basically, X is the air we inhale. Y is the air that we exhale. Everybody agrees? Now, let's look at the air inhaled. The composition of air that we inhale and exhale is going to be different. Can you all write this down for me? Draw this small table. Even if you don't have the worksheet printed out, I want you to start copying this down, okay? This is a revision. Okay, starting from Chengxing. No, never mind. Chengxing got this question correct. So let's start with Ziyi. Ziyi, can you tell me what is the percentage of inhaled air? What is the percentage of oxygen in inhaled air? First, before you answer that question, is there more oxygen in inhaled air or exhaled air? Which one has a higher percentage of oxygen?
Inhale.
Okay, do you recall what are the percentages?
21.
For inhale, good. How about exhale? Can remember? Cannot. Who can remember? Hello. Who can remember the percentage for exhaled air? For oxygen? Ervi, Chengxing, anyone? Darius, yes? 16 to 17. I'll write 16 here. Very good. Now, let me help you all with something. Before we even talk about amount of inhaled and exhaled air, let's write down the chemical equation for respiration. Okay? Yanqing, I want you to answer this question for me. What is the chemical equation for respiration?
What?
What is the chemical equation for respiration?
What is the chemical for respiration?
What is the chemical equation for respiration? Yeah. So what is needed for respiration? What is produced during respiration?
Oxygen,
Oxygen plus what?
carbon dioxide.
Huh?
And,
Carbon dioxide is needed for respiration.
nitrogen.
Nitrogen is needed for respiration. Yanqing, can you think carefully? What is needed for respiration? I believe I taught this before in class.